What's going on, guys? So thought I'd make another video on our boy Wish Context Logic. Not too bad of a day today, right? Up 47 cents, 4.5%, closed at 1041. If you see my video from last week, I made a few videos actually talking about coming off this bottom range here, getting out of this bottom channel, possibly bouncing off the lower Bollinger Band, reclaiming some of these moving averages, the 5, the 10. One of the areas that I've been speaking about here is the 50-day moving average. You can see we came and touched it here on July 29th. We also touched it today. We've been rejected both times. However, the stock is looking better. The stock does look strong. We do have earnings. Well, I shouldn't say strong. Okay. We're not going to be strong really until we get over $15. But, you know, we do have earnings coming up here in August. Maybe that is going to be the catalyst that we need to get this thing rocking and rolling. We do still need to get over this 15.5, this $15, 15.50 area. Why do I say that? We came up and touched it here the first time in June. We came up, touched it here at the end of June, both times. Bloop, bloop, 2 times here. Rejected, rejected. What happened? Sold off. What happened? Sold off. So baby steps. We have to crawl before we can walk, and we have to walk before we can run. Let's reclaim the 50-day moving average here, 1050.5. You know, let's give it a little bit of room. 1069. I like that number. Let's go 1069. We need to get above that. And then we can look to start taking out this 50 EMA here at around $11. I think once we get there, we're going to run into a little bit of problems here. We do have a lot of trees ahead. We have a lot of, you know, supply ahead here in 1197. We have 1152, 1275. So if you did buy this bottom dip here, you bought off this lower Bollinger Band, maybe you bought when we reclaimed the 5 and a 10-day moving average, good move. Take some cash flow if we get into the 11s, okay? Take some cash flow. Hopefully you loaded up on some heavy size. You're able to take some cash flow. Take some cash flow, pay yourself. That's what this is all about. If you're not trading stocks to take money out of the market and pay yourself, and you're just looking to hold on forever, you know, that's not what it's about. You know, at the drop of a dime, they can pull the whole market, and then we can go into a major correction, and this stock can end up at $2.48. Is that going to happen? I don't believe so. However, with the way things have been going the past year and a half, 2 years, anything is possible. So even if you have to take a little money out, say you take out $50, $100, take yourself out to dinner. If you did buy down here, you have made a good little chunk of change. At least you can do is treat yourself to dinner, right? So, given that you are going to be holding through this, you are going to see a little bit of choppiness here. Hopefully this earnings report is a catalyst. We need to get above this supply. Once we do get above this supply, 1280, 1289, I think we have room to stretch. And that's when we're going to see, are we the real deal or are we not? Or are we just playing games? You know, if Wish wants to keep playing games with us, it's going to come up here, test this $14, $15 area, and it's going to sell off again. If it does that to me again, I'm not going to be too happy. But I believe 1, 2, 3 times the lady. I think that if we do get up here past the 15.5 area, I think we can get back to the $19, $20 area. Guys, this is not going to be overnight. This is a slow process when you're playing these type of stocks, okay? These things don't just skyrocket overnight, although they can. Generally speaking, they don't. Let's just go back in the chart here. It's been months, okay? It's been months since this has really done anything whatsoever besides this big move here, which was only a 2-day run. So we had a big pump here, guys. I mean, you have to think about it. We're selling off, we're selling off, we're selling off. We get down and we get a pump. We get a pump, okay? This is a classic pump and dump, guys. You have to, you know, whether you believe in the company or not is a different story. What happened here on these 2 days is called a pump and dump, guys. Does the company shares deserve to be traded higher? I believe so. But this move here is not natural. This is not what you want. You want this. You want the stock to be trading up like this, okay? You don't want big candle down. This is a pump and dump. Not saying that the company is a pump and dump, not saying that the stock is a pump and dump, but this 2-day move here was a pump. I'm calling it like it is. This was a pump. This is not what we wanted to see. We wanted a slow, gradual climb, clearing out supply, you know? sidestepping, taking the stairs up. This is what we wanted. We didn't want this. However, here we are. Can we do it again? Maybe. And if we do it again, we've got to hold this time longer than 2 days. Okay. Longer than 2 days. But guys, I do have a Discord. That link is down in the description below. Also, if you did enjoy the video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 300 subscribers by the end of the month. I would really appreciate you if you could do that. But I will see you guys all on the next video.